Okay, in this video we will post the entries to the ledger. In the last video we journalized the closing entry, so now we're ready to post these entries to the ledger. Okay, so what we have done is, let me move this over, we debited fees earned for $7,600, so we need to go to the general ledger. Let me make this bigger here. And we need to find fees earned, and we need to debit it for $7,600. So we had a credit balance and we just debited, so our new balance is $0. Okay, and this came from, let's see what, it's journal page 2. So it came from page 2. And we are posting this to account 4000. And then let's make sure we put our balance there. Okay, yes, we have a 0 balance, which is what we wanted. We wanted to zero out this account. Now looking at the next one, we have depreciation expense, a credit for $83. So depreciation expense, we credit it for $83, which gives us a balance of 0 because we have a debit and a credit. And this came from journal page 2, and it went to account 5100. Now for the next one, not sure why fees earned keeps changing. Let's fix that. 4,000. Let's put that back in there. Alright, salaries expense. Credit for 2,300. So a credit for 2,300. So it has a normal debit, so now this balance is 0. This came from journal entry page 2, and it is going to account 5,200. The next one is rent expense, and it is a credit for 400. So credit it for 400, and our new balance is 0. This came from journal entry page 2, and it's going to account 5,300. Supplies expense, a credit for 1,600. So that would make this account, this would zero this out, and it came from journal entry page 2, and this is account 5,400. And then we credited a capital for $32.17. So let's find our capital account. $32.17. And this is going to increase our So our new balance is $21,017, and this journal entry came from page 2, and it's going to account number 3,000. So notice that increased capital. Now capital is different from the others because we're closing all of our information to capital. So we do not zero out capital. Okay. Now we need to look at capital. This time we are debiting capital for 2,000. So this time what we'll do is we'll debit it, and it has a normal credit balance, so we will need to subtract 2,000 from 21,017, so we get 19,017 for a new capital balance. It came from journal entry page 2, and or journal page 2, and it's account number 3000. And then drawing, we need to credit it for 2000. So this is 9/30/2018, and let's do that in a minute. So we're going to credit it for 2000, which means has a normal debit balance, so we subtract, and our new balance is 0. And this came from journal entry page 2, and it's account number 3100. So by looking through here, I can see that I've done my journal entries and I've posted to the ledger because I have my references here. So what I should see in the general ledger account is that all my permanent accounts should have an account balances and an updated balance to capital, and then all my temporary accounts should have a 0 balance in their ledger account. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video where you will see the very last step, the post-closing trial balance.